Hey guys, it's Decolation, and today we're putting the fuel tank and piping the fuel system for the 35 hot rod truck. So, I got my buddy Brian over here doing the hard part of the research. Now I'm gonna be doing research as well, but yeah, we're gonna get this going. So stand by for the time lapse, and hopefully this is less of a pain than an engine getting in. So stay tuned. guys, so we got the fuel tank in and we got the vent line ran. So right now we're gonna stop at this point because I need to figure out what needs to go next, because I don't want to go too much further forward without getting to the point where I have to redo or undo certain things. And getting this fuel tank with these straps were a pain. As you guys saw, we had to do a little bit of modification to these straps on 2 different situations. But man, this car is really coming together. Like the main bare bone, like big items are already in this car. And my man Brian over here came in clutch as always.
Glad to be here.
Oh, and you want to show the people what came in that box right there? You wanna pull them out? So, like I promised, last video I was gonna give you a little sneak peek of the rims. So, ooh, look at that. So these are the fronts. As Hurt from Hoonigan will say, shout out to my man Hurt. These Johnnies are looking good. I like it. But, all right. Thank you again, guys. I really appreciate you guys sitting back and watching my videos. It means a lot. So if you like the video, comment down below and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and hit that like button too. Peace.